The term Gaeltacht is used to describe parts of Ireland where the Irish language is the main community language of the local population. In the Gaeltacht, Irish, or Gaeilge as the language is called, is spoken on a daily basis by a significant number of the population in their day-to-day lives. Local services are provided in Irish, work is conducted through Irish, and schools teach through the medium of Irish. Gaeltacht areas are located in counties Donegal, Mayo, Galway and Kerry, with smaller communities in counties Meath, Cork and Waterford. There are also 6 populated offshore Gaeltacht islands. These areas were statutorily designated by the state, having regard to the number of Irish speakers living there. Every successive government has recognised the need for specific measures, structures and funding to ensure the maintenance of these communities in an effort to preserve the Gaeltacht as an Irish-speaking community. In recent years, there has been considerable increased pressure on Irish as the community language due to the significant increase in non-Irish speakers moving to Gaeltacht areas, the proximity of some Gaeltacht areas to developing urban centres, and other demographic factors. The existence of areas where Irish lives as a community language is an important cornerstone in the building of a bilingual society in Ireland, and it provides an environment where the language can evolve naturally in a modern setting.